Hey guys, I hope you're having a lovely day today. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for the month of January right here. I have no idea what's in this box. I actually even forgot what I chose. So if you guys want to find out with me, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so in case you're new to the Boxycharm world, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription service. Every month you get beauty products delivered to your door at a fraction of the cost, basically. This box went through a price increase recently, so I know now it costs $27.99. It used to be $25, and you get 5 full-size beauty products. So I canceled almost everything a couple months ago, and I kept my base box. I canceled my premium because I know it went up to, I think, $40. I just feel like that's so much money, and I don't want to spend that much money. But this one, I feel like over all the base box, you always get like a really nice value for what you pay for. Even though it went up a couple dollars, I feel like I can still justify paying for it. But anyway, let's see what's in it. So it looks like this month's theme is Boxycharm Refresh, which I think is beautiful for the month of January. We have a brand new year. That's really cool, and I love this little card here. And I already see something that I love. If you guys follow me, you know I love eyeshadow palettes, and this one specifically is so gorgeous. Look at this packaging. I hope it's gonna focus. This packaging is beautiful. I feel like I'm transported to that place right there. And this is the Wander Beauty Wanderous Escape palette. I have a few products from Wander Beauty that I've gotten through Ipsy, and I love their products. My favorite black liner that's actually on my eyes right now, my waterline, is from them. Is the Wander Beauty Skyliner, I think, in the shade Jet Black. Oh my god, I love that liner, and they have some really great products. I love how the palette is actually the same as the packaging too. I'm definitely going to display this because I feel like, especially now it's freezing where I live, it's the winter, it's so gray outside. So maybe having palettes like this displayed will help to boost my mood. But let's take a look inside. And I should read about it, but let me show you guys. Ooh, this is really pretty. So you get a mirror, and it looks like you get 10 shadows in here. Nice mirror. I like the shape, the size and the shape of this palette. It's really easy to hold. And there you go. So it looks like you have some neutrals going on and a few shimmers. You have a very pretty blue shimmer and a very soft lavender shimmer with a gold going on too, like a few gold shades in shimmers. Something that looks like a champagne color, so that could be perfect for like your inner corner. This is a very pretty palette, and I feel like very universal. Like for a lot of people will fall in love with this because not everyone loves things that are super colorful. So you have your soft looks, and then you have a very deep brown in case you want something smoky. And those shimmers are stunning, and I think I'm going to use this very soon. I'm going to swatch it, at least the shimmers. That blue sea glass, the light purple is Flourish, and then maybe I'll do Moonlit, which is like the inner corner shade. They look so pretty, just beautiful, and my style. Let me see. Oh, that blue is nice. I thought it was gonna be a little bit thin, like the shimmer formula, but they actually look really, really pretty. They actually look really, really pretty, and I thought when I first watched it that it could be a little bit thin. I love it. Very nice formula. I feel like a lot of people will get use out of this, so that was a really nice palette for them to include. And again, I love Wander Beauty, so very cool. Very nice way to start. Oh, and according to Boxycharm, this palette retails for $42. Okay, so the next product in my box is the Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Revitalite Professional Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector, powered by multi-peptides and tightening agents. This eye treatment targets puffy eye bags, dark under eye circles, and droopy eyelids. The light diffusing pigments instantly blur imperfections and conceal damage, while the smoothing and soothing cool tip applicator helps stimulate circulation, resulting in instantly fresh and rejuvenated eyes. Retails for $49. Sounds very cool. I could definitely get some use out of this. I always get lazy using things for my eyes, but as I'm getting older, I'm 30 years old, I need to start using products like this more often. The packaging is like very sleek. I like that. Wow, I feel like we got something similar last month, or at least I did. That's what the like the tip of the applicator looks like. Let me see what this actually looks like. Okay. So this is it right here. So it feels nice and hydrating. So here in the box, it tells me that is, okay, so for dark circles, reduce the look of tired and puffy under eye bags. I have been getting more of that recently. I'm a mom of two and I'm very busy throughout the day and I don't always sleep so well. And I have seen it more pronounced lately. Like I never really struggled with that, but I have been getting more of like that tired eye look and like puffy under eye bags. I guess something going on under my eyes that I know it hasn't always been there. So I think I need to start using these kinds of products, and I have quite a few of these kinds of products from over like the last year from Ipsy and Boxycharm that I need to start using. So it's supposed to lift and tighten the appearance of droopy eyelids. I'm gonna give that a go. I feel like the winter makes me lazy with skincare. Anybody else feel like that? I was doing so well in the summer and the fall too, but with the cold weather, like me and my husband stay up at night like watching Netflix and hanging out, and then after the kids go to sleep, and I do not, when he's in bed, I don't want to be in the bathroom like washing my face and putting like cold creams on my face because it's so cold. But I need to start doing it. I thought about maybe like I take a shower at night sometimes like 7 o'clock. When I'm still in the shower, like applying my skincare, I'm gonna see if I do that because I can see my skin needs more love, more attention. So, but that sounds like a cool product and I'm gonna try that out very soon. Did I say? So it retails for $59 like I said earlier, so that's a really nice deal because this box only costs $27.99. The next product in here I'm so excited for, and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and Brush 7B Dual Ended Angle Brush Set. Retails for $39. So this is, we know what this is, maybe you don't, but I have never tried Dip Brow. I know this is like so popular. We used to watch when I was a lot younger, a lot of beauty YouTubers, they used to all use this same product and I never tried it. I was too intimidated by it. And I'm very happy that I got it through Boxycharm because I feel like I use a lot of drugstore brow products that really work for me. Now that I'm a little more confident with makeup, I'm very skeptical about like spending a lot of money on brow products when I find like very affordable options at the drugstore. So I'm excited to give this a go because I myself did not want to spend the money, but I know I've always been curious about it and I cannot wait to use it. So you have your angled brush. Let me get it out here. So you have your angled brush with the spoolie and then the dip brow. And the perfect thing is they got the shade correct. One of my favorite brow pencils is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And I'm the shade Ebony. They send the shade Ebony. So I'm so happy they send the right shade. I'm going to use this soon, like one day that I'm home, that I'm not going anywhere, in case I mess it up, because I don't have, this is what it looks like, the pomade. I don't have a lot of practice. There you go. I don't have a lot of practice with like pomades. I feel like I struggled forever with my brows. They've improved a little bit, but I mainly I get more practice from like brow pencils and brow gels. But I'm gonna give this a go. It's very exciting. So that right there made the entire box, in my opinion. Did I say that retails for $39? I know that people love this. It's a very like cult favorite product. So I'm glad that they sent that, and that right there for me made the entire base box. So everything else is like extra, and I'm so happy to try these kinds of products in my Boxycharm box from brands like ABH because their products are really, really good quality. Okay, next we have the Contact Skin Matte Lipstick. I have tried this brand through Ipsy before. It's the first time I've seen it in Boxycharm. So this is in the shade 116 Tears Are Falling. What? Antioxidants and botanical oils provide nutrients that condition and protect skin from free radical damage. Lips are left supple and moisturized with a velvety matte finish. Okay, so provides a full coverage, rich, demi-matte look without the dryness. It retails to $20, and it does say it's a new brand to Boxy. I know it was new to Boxycharm, but I have gotten a lot of these, a lot of products from Contact Skin through Ipsy. They have really good lip balms, and I feel like I've only tried the lip balms, but that's what it looks like. And I actually have not tried their lipstick. I think I've only tried lip balms. This is a beautiful shade, actually. Okay, there you go. Oh, why does it look more red? Okay, so it's like a nude burgundy, I want to say. Let me swatch it because it's confusing me. To me, It looks almost brown, but on camera I feel like it looks a little bit more on the pink red side. Okay. So it is more on like the deep, what do I call that color? I guess it's like a brown burgundy color, but it's not too red. But it's not nude. I wish it was a nude because I've gotten so many of these shades lately and I myself have purchased them. But I'll give that a go. I just feel like I've been obsessed with color so much and now I want to buy a lot of nude lipsticks for some reason. That's just what I'm going through at the moment. Okay, so next, I think that was the fourth item. The last item in my box is the Mellow Cosmetics Gel Lip Pencil. And I have gotten Mellow Cosmetics in Boxycharm before. This gel formulated gel lip pencil glides on fluidly and adheres instantly with a matte finish. Oh, okay. And it retails for $15. I have a lip gloss from them that I got through Boxycharm that I love because it's a really nice glossy gloss, but it's also pigmented, so you can wear it on its own if you want a more nude like look to your lips. So I can see myself using this lip liner and that gloss on top. So let's see the shade Rose. Okay, I thought it was gonna be a nude. I was excited to get nude. Okay, these might match together. Okay, let's see. So this here is the lip liner. So I feel like they will work well together. This is the shade Rose. It's a nice like almost mauvey soft pink color. So I feel like I will get use out of it. I have a lot of shades like this, but I'm excited to try out a new like lip liner formula. So overall, I got this really nice lip liner from Mellow Cosmetics. This eyelid and dark circle corrector, which I'm so excited to try. I'm going to try to motivate myself to try it out. This lipstick from Context Skin, Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and the Wonder Beauty Wanderers Escape eyeshadow palette. So I feel like this box was incredible. I'm very happy with it. I know now that the premium box is a little more expensive, they tend to have the better items, which they used to sometimes, but before I remember the like the base box was for the most part like the best value. And sometimes when I look online, I feel major FOMO with the premium box, but I cannot get myself to spend $40. So I'm happy that I kept the base box because I love what I got and I don't need like too much new makeup, because I love exploring like other releases from like other makeup brands that are not just subscription boxes. But overall, I'm happy with my box this month. I love what I got. What did you guys get in your boxes? Please let me know down below. Are you subscribed to the premium box as well? How do you feel about that? But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye.